Previously in the series we covered the basics in engine bay cleaning, followed by how to clean your wheels and how to wash your door shuts. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys at home how to pre-wash your car, and this is a really important step that you've got to carry out if you want to successfully clean your car without getting any scratches at all. So let's jump straight into the video. Before you get started with the pre-wash, you're going to need the basics. A pressure washer, a snow foam cannon and a hose. You're also going to need a citrus pre-wash and a good quality snow foam. And it's really important that you get your dilution ratio or panel impact ratio correct. So always read the label on your foam just to get the best results, and make sure you've got a good cannon too. And just to be clear, this is a pre-wash basics video, so we're not going to be talking about the full decontamination process, but they will make an appearance in the next couple of months where we break out the iron fallout removers, clay bars and everything else you need to know about a full decon wash. Now the idea behind the citrus is the fact that we want to give it a little extra bite, so what we're going to do is apply the citrus first around the lower section of the vehicle, and because it's a sunny day we are going to have to be quite quick, so do bear in mind that if you do it at home you've got to make sure that you've got cool cloudy conditions. So I'm just spraying the citrus pre-wash around the lower third of the car, paying close attention to the grills, lights and wing mirrors, and also you can spray a little bit on the glass, especially in those areas where you get those pesky bug splats in the summer. We've successfully applied the citrus pre-wash. Now we're going to cover the car with a blanket of snow foam. Here comes my favourite bit where we apply the snow foam, so make sure you've got your dilutions correct, and it's not about how thick the foam is but how consistent it is. So if it's too thick it will just pull off more foam as it rolls off the car, whereas if you've got the right consistency it will cling to the dirt on the surface of the paint. So just remember, thick foam equals heavy foam, and heavy foam can't cling on properly. But also make sure it isn't too thin either. Most snow foams have been developed to cope with holding onto the paint for at least 5 minutes, so if it's drying out too quick it may not perform the way you had hoped, and that's why we say wash your car on a cool cloudy day to get the best results. So you've got two options at this stage. You can either rinse off then snow foam again and brush the tight areas with the foam on the car, or save the brushing till we carry out the shampoo stage, and for this series we're going to be picking option 2. So we've given it the snow foam a couple of minutes to dwell and work its magic. We're now ready to give it a rinse off. And a lot of people think that this is the point where you should get your brushes out and start agitating the dirt. That could not be more wrong. The idea is we want to shift off as much dirt as possible before we start the contact wash. We save all the brushing till the next stage. When rinsing, make sure that you do a slow controlled motion starting from top to bottom, ensuring that you've covered all the panels. And just another top tip for you, to speed up the washing process, it's good to go for a wide angle nozzle like the one I have here, as it covers more distance instead of focusing more pressure on a single area at a time. As you can see, the car behind me looks absolutely incredible and we haven't even touched it yet. So join us for the next video as I'm going to show you how to successfully perform the 2 bucket method. I'll see you later. Bye bye.